Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating a beautiful manicure using some of the products that were sent to me in a collaboration with Beebeecraft.com. If you haven't seen my unboxing video of everything that was sent to me, I'll leave it linked up here and in the description box below so you can go watch it and see what other things I received in my package. Today I'm going to be creating a manicure using these beautiful nail decorations. As a base, I'm wearing this basis loaded lacquer called Maximus. I'll also have it linked in the description box below. I thought this image would be perfect for my decorations. It's the Born Pretty BPL022 stamping plate. And I'll use my gold Maniology stamping polish called Heart of Gold. Besides nail art, these little decorations can be used for other crafts. They're so cute. Let's do some stamping first. Now that I'm done with the stamping, I can add the little nail art decorations. I'll apply a clear top coat and add each individual decoration. Since my nail is curved, I'm going to try to press them in a little bit to give them a little bit of curve also. I can also use my tweezers to bend them just enough to fit the curve of my nail. That's perfect. Let's go ahead and apply the clear top coat. Once they're dry, I can seal them in with my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. And my manicure is now complete. I think it turned out really beautiful, and if you want your little decorations to last longer, you can definitely attach them using glue, nail glue, which is gonna make them last longer. But I'm not gonna be wearing my manicure for a long time because you guys know I change my manicures constantly. But I love the way this design turned out, and I think these little nail decorations are perfect for this manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you once again to Beebeecraft.com for this wonderful collaboration. I'll have links to the products that I use in the description box below. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!